minerals of the great economic value and have occupied a characteristic place amongst all economic resources. Minerals and the mineral industries have significant macro links with the economy of the country. Objectives. This chapter we will be discussing about metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, revenue from the minerals, mineral potentiality, new initiative in the mining sector. The newly separated Telangana state from the state of United Andhra Pradesh has a unique geological set up that can host a variety of mineral deposits of economic value. Metallic minerals. Chromite. The mineral occurs mostly as float ore, though at places it is noticed in situ in the form of lenticular pockets in the Khammam district in ultra basic rocks like pyroxenite, serpentinite, etc. In localities near Bhimavaram, Gauraram, Jannavaram and Imamnagar and Enkuru, a total of 2,500 tons of float and few hundred tons of in situ ore are estimated for these occurrences. This area deserves further exploration not only for chromite but for minerals of platinite group. Copper. Copper mineralization is observed in the Mailaram areas of Khammam district in Dharwad quartz, chlorite schist intruded by grey and blue quartz veins with copper percentage between 1.5 to 1.7. Chloropyrite occurs as disseminations and stringers associated with pyrite and pyrrolite. As per GSI, the zone of copper mineralization extends for a strike length of 800 meters with a reserve of 0.814 metric tons. In current scenario of copper metal prices, this area deserves further exploration with advanced technologies. Gold. Alluvial gold is said to have been worked from near the confluence of Kinnarasani river with the Godavari in the Khammam districts and also near the Mangampeta in Warangal district. Of late, exploration activity by GSI is being carried out to test the gold potential in Atkur block, Gadwal schist belt, Mehbubnagar district. Manganese. In the Adilabad district, manganese ore with very low phosphorus content occurs as a thin lenses and is mixed with chert and jaspar within the Penganga limestones at Gaulighat, Gautkur, Jamdapur and Chanda for a strike length of 7.8 kilometers, a reserve of 1,17,000 tons with an average grade of 39.6% of manganese. Iron ore. Isolated patches of branded magnetite quartzite occurs near Chityal, Kallada, Dasturabad and Robinpalli, Lakshatipet and Utnur in the Adilabad district, mostly northwest, southeast, trending the BFI bands. About 16 million tons of low-grade iron ore are estimated here. These are broadly classified into iron ore associated with Palkal and iron ore associated with banded hematite, quartzites of Dharwar age. The deposits of the first group are richer and larger. The total reserve in this area on the basis of preliminary investigation has been estimated at 11 million tons. The hill about 5 kilometers north of Bayaram contains two bands of high-grade iron ore. One of the band having an average thickness of 6 meters is estimated to contain 1,06,000 tons of high-grade ore and 6 lakh tons of low-grade ore. Non-metallic minerals of Telangana. Asbestos. Cross-fiber cryotype asbestos varying in length from few millimeters to 4 millimeters occurs in the serpentized Vempalli dolomites at Somsil. The cumulative fiber length exceeds 50 millimeters. With intermittently developed asbestos fibers have been identified as a length of 800 meters. Granite. The garnite, kyanite, mica schist constitutes an entire hill at 𝗂𝗽𝗱𝗁 in the Khammam districts with garnite percentage of 11 to 90. The reserve is estimated to be 31 million tons. In the Khammam district, occurrences of barytes are confined to a narrow belt of palkals of about 6.5 kilometers east of Khammam towns. Barytes also occurs as lenses, stringers and veins varying in width from a few centimeters to 6 meters. Veins ranging in the thickness from 1 meter to 3.2 meters are noticed in sheared zones in the 𝗹𝗶𝗇, dolomite and quartzites. Amethyst. To the south of Karimnagar at Sandral, crystalline amethyst form several layers alternating with white quartz in 𝗧𝗧 cavities of fissure veins which trend between the northwest and east of southeast and northwest and southeast. Coal. The Pranahita Godavari Valley is known for its coal reserves for more than a century. Coal-bearing Gondwana rocks occupy parts of the erstwhile Adilabad, Karimnagar, Khammam, Nizamabad and Warangal districts. The coal-bearing Barakar occurs at numerous localities but is always overlain by the younger Kati sandstones and shales. The Gondwana, mainly the younger Katis, occupy an area exceeding 11,000 square kilometers in the state. The SCCL has made the estimates of the reserves of coal in their leasehold areas. The proposed open cast and underground extractable reserves are 223.4 and 149.1 respectively. Corundum. Corundum occurs in naphthaline syenites at Rangapur and in ultra basic rocks at Gobbagurthi near Tadakalappudi in Khammam district. Corundum of abrasive variety and the rare occurrence of germ variety are observed in the exploration pits at Lakshmipuram where the host rock is sillimanite corundum schistosise rock. At Gobbagurthi and Singaraipalam, corundum occurs in association with kyanite schist. Lingampalli and Anvalagudam villages of the Miryalguda taluk. Graphite. Numerous isolated occurrences of graphite are present in the Khammam district between the Illapadu and Gopannagudam, Kantlam, Kaveri Gundla, Gundlamagudi, Bollapalle, Chittem Padu, Siddharam and Kunkul Goyapaka. Quartz. Large deposits of veins quartz occurs cutting across the granites near Kukatpalli, Shamshabad and Timmapur close to Hyderabad city. These are being extensively exploited for crushing to silica sand by local factories. Glass grade vein quartz occur at Tadapalli in the Khammam district. White quartz veins extending for few hundreds of meters are noticed near Shadnagar railway station in Mehbubnagar district. Quartz veins occur at Andole, Palampet in Medak district. Glass grade quartz quarries are also reported from Cheemarajupenta in Nizamabad district. Not only for the glass but also fine powder of milky quartz is being exported for making artificial building stones from mines in Andhra Pradesh. A similar industry needs to be developed in the Telangana state too. Dolomite. Of reserve of 88 metric tons is estimated for about 150 meters thick band for over a strike length of 32 kilometers up to a depth of 6 meters. Currently, Madaram mines cater to the needs of Vizag steel plant. Feldspar. The pegmatites around the villages Nidmanur, Damarchella and Charkonda of Nalgonda districts contain good quality feldspar which can be easily separated from the gangue materials by hand picking. Also, minor instances of feldspar are reported from the granulites and gneisses of Mehbubabad districts. production of major and minor minerals. Value of production. As out of the total value of 15,711 crore mineral production, major minerals contributed the highest with rupees 9,189 crores, followed by the other minerals which contributed for rupees 6,414 crores. Minor minerals contributed to the production of value of 107 crores. Revenue from minerals. There has been continuous growth in the revenue from minerals. While the revenue collection was for rupees 1,207.82 crores in the year 2010 and 11, it has reached to 1,806.99 crores in 2013 and 14. After the formation of state, the revenue collection from the minerals increased significantly to the rupees 3,169.7 crore in the year of 2016 and 17, which is almost the double the revenue collected in the year 2013 and 14. Therefore, the growth in the revenue collection, especially after the formation of the state, has been very robust. The target for the year 2017 and 18 slated to be 3,500 crores, out of which 1,158.78 crores has already been achieved as of December 2017. Mineral potentiality. Telangana is the only state in the entire southern India with a vast deposition of coal. The black gold is being mined by Singareni Collieries Companies Limited, a state government company. The state is endowed with a medium grade iron ore deposits in Bayaram forest reserves and float iron ore deposits in the revenue and Patal lands of Khammam districts and low grade scattered iron ore deposits in Karimnagar districts. Iron ore deposits in the Telangana state is under exploration by GSI, DM and Grand SCCL to assess the mineral reserves for establishment of steel plant as envisaged in the State Reorganization Act 2014. Uranium deposits with estimated reserves of 20,000 metric tons occurs in Lambapur, Puruchella, Nammapuram, Yellapuram areas of Nalgonda district. The Uranium Corporation of India Limited filed an application over an extent of 542 hectares for mineral concessions. Mining leases existing with cement plants are established. Large extent of mineral deposits yet to be tapped in the government pattas and forest areas with immense scope for newer cement industries. Manganese ore occurs in Adilabad district, previously exploited by Manganese Ore India Limited, a Government of India undertaking, now is being mined by a private sector. The 𝗚𝗎cic granite occurring in Bhimgal and other areas in Nizamabad district is marketed under the commercial name Indian Aurora, and it is mostly used for flooring purpose and the manufacture of monument with good international market. Dolerite dikes occur in Khammam, Warangal urban, Warangal rural, Mehboobabaad, Nalgonda, Suryapet, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri, Rangareddy, Vikarabad, Mehboob-nagar, Vanapatri, Nagar Karnool districts are predominant for extraction of cut and dressed blocks of jet black, absolute black, tiger skin and other varieties of granite. Mineral based industries. Both public and private sectors established large and medium scale mineral based industry for manufacturing of cement, sponge iron, ferroalloys, glass, refractories, chemicals, granite, limestone cutting and polishing units, granite monument manufacturing units, quartz pulverizing units, stone crusher units, ceramic tile and pipe units, manufacture sand producing units and brick kilns. State government encouraging 50% utilization of manufactured sand as an alternative to river sand in government projects and civil works. Presently, there are 44 established plants producing manufactured stands. Presently, there are 44 established plants producing manufactured sand in the state. Vast stone deposits occur for establishment of manufacturing sand units. New initiatives in mining sector. Government has taken up number of initiatives to boost the growth for mining sector in the state. Key initiatives are the initiative to the granite industry, considering the recession in the domestic and international market and with an overall view to encourage granite industry in the state. The government has announced a concession in levy of 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 with respect to granite cutting, polishing units of limestone slabs polishing units in the state for a period of 1 year with an effect from 26th September 2017. Online mineral e-payment, e-permit system. State government introduced an online mineral e-payment and e-permit system to facilitate payments of statutory amounts, filling, processing, issue of dispatch permits and generation of transit forms by leaseholders through user-friendly online services, totally avoiding manual interface. Sand mining policy. The state government introduced the new sand mining policy in 2014. The policy ensures proper regulation of sand activity in the state by entrusting the sand extraction to Telangana State Mineral Development Corporation. The policy also helps in avoiding the over-exploitation of the sand and the conduct of operation through systematic extraction, keeping in view environmental consideration at a fixed price by the government. State Mineral Exploration Trust. As per the Mines and Mineral Development Regulation Act 1957, the state government established the State Mineral Exploration Trust as a non-profit body. The SMET has been established to take up mineral prospecting and exploration of minor minerals in the state. District Mineral Foundation. As per the guidelines from the central government, state government has constituted the District Mineral Foundation Trust as a non-profitable organization which comes into effect from January 2015. The object of the DMF is to work for the understanding benefit of the persons and the areas affected by mining related operations. 10% of the royalty in respect of mining leases is granted on and after 12th January 2015. 30% of the royalty in the respect of mining leases are granted before 12th January 2015. Funds available under the scheme are being used for undertaking welfare measures in the mining and mining related areas, including drinking water supply, health care, education, welfare of women, children, aged and disabled people, and other priority plans such as physical infrastructure and renewable energy. Rupees 1328.25 crore is collected under the DMF up to December 2017. The mining operations are limited to only few principal minerals currently. The need for a well-planned program of survey and exploration, transparent system in avoiding reconnaissance, prospecting and mining limits, management, resources which have already been discovered and those which are in the process of discovery and their optimal, economical and timely use are the matters of vital importance requiring comprehensive planning, adequate funding and coordinated successful execution and setting up mineral based industries like fertilizers, glass, abrasives and refractories, etc. Such sort of innovative thought process will definitely help boosting in socio-economic growth by the mineral and the mining sector in the newly separated Telangana state.